Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are going to share with you 5 must-see beaches in Cornwall that we think you should visit when you're next down. This is the second of the series, so be sure to like and subscribe to be notified for future content, and check out the first video. I've linked it in the box below. All the postcodes, parking, accessibility and other information will also be in the description box below. Let's get to it. First up, a beach that we definitely think you should visit is Summerleaze Beach in Bude. Summerleaze Beach is a very large, expansive beach, so even in the busy season there is plenty of room to walk and play. It is well situated, just a 5-minute walk from the centre of Bude and adjacent to both Bude Castle and Bude Canal. Along the canal and beach entrance there are various shops and eateries along with accessible facilities. The beach also boasts a beautiful sea pool to the edge of the beach, which is naturally filled with seawater at high tide each day. There's disabled access from the car park, disabled toilets and also a sand chair available to hire. You can also hire the beautiful rainbow beach huts on the cliff edge and make a whole day of it in Bude. Up next is Fistal Beach in Newquay. Fistal Beach is a firm favourite amongst holiday makers and therefore it's no surprise it's made the list. Fistal Beach is situated in Newquay and laid mostly to sand with some large rocks. It is a large expansive beach again, and even when it's busy you can generally find space to sit and play. Newquay is a surfing hotspot here in Cornwall, so be sure to check out the tide times and catch the big waves. Overlooking the beach is the prominent Headland Hotel where the famous movie The Witches was filmed. Fistral is another very accessible beach with a ramp down to the sand, easy beachside parking, accessible toilets and shops and sand chairs available to hire. Up next is Portreath Beach. Although one of the smaller beaches on the list, Portreath is a family favourite of ours. The beach is located at the end of a small village of Portreath. Adjacent to the beach is a narrow harbour, once a busy port, importing coal and exporting copper. It's very nostalgic as it's the first beach all of our children ever visited, even the dog. Portreath is a small beach and mostly laid to sand with some rocky patches. When the tide is out it is a fairly lengthy beach and you can get around the rock and cliff edges at the end of the beach. However, at low tide the beach all but disappears some days. Looking out to the ocean you will see the prominent Gull Rock, which as the name suggests is a haven for many seabirds. Portreath is a popular beach for bodyboarding and swimming. There is a beachside car park or parking in the village, and there's also a ramp onto the beach at the higher end, making it accessible for most. There are cafes and toilets available all year round. Up next is Porthcurrnick Beach. This beach is a little more discreet. There are particular places I would recommend, such as visiting St Anthony's Head, the Porth Walk and Towan Beach. There are not many parking options. You can park on the cliff and join the coast path, but this leads down to many steps to get down to the beach. The steps are well made and not slippery, so fine for those who can handle normal stairs. There is a slipway to the south end of the beach, however this has very limited parking. Due to the accessibility of this beach it does stay relatively quiet, so if you are looking for a more secluded spot in the busy months this may be perfect for you. Lastly, we recommend heading down to Porthleven Beach. Porthleven Beach is situated in the beautiful harbour village of Porthleven, famous for its food festivals. The village also has a lovely sandy beach. The beach is long but narrow and has plenty of rock pools for little ones to play in. In low tide the beach reaches all the way around and connects to Low Bar. The beach is located just to the edge of the harbour where you can access all the village facilities and eateries. Let us know if you have visited any of these beaches. We'll have another video up soon with more recommendations of places to visit in Cornwall. Until then, please do like and subscribe because it helps to get our content seen. We appreciate all your support and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.